If you would like to customize the width of the desk board, you should watch the video titled Customizing the Desk Board before you proceed to mount the desk arm brackets to the face panels of the DIY Murphy bed, which is covered in this video. For this step, you will need a level. You may also use painting tape on the face panels of your Murphy bed to protect the surface. Make sure the hinge on the desk arm bracket is inside the edge of the face panel. Place the level on the desk arm bracket as shown here, and move the bracket up and down on the bed cabinet until your level is indicating that the arm is leveled horizontally. Now mark the location of the two holes on the desk arm hinge on the face panel of the Murphy bed. It is recommended that you use a 1/8" drill bit to pilot drill where you place the pencil marks. This will make it easier to drive the 1.5" long wood screws. Now use a Phillips screwdriver or a driver bit on your cordless drill and drive the two 1.5" long wood screws into the pilot holes. The left arm bracket is now attached to the left side of the cabinet. Grab your measuring tape and measure the distance from the floor to the bottom of the installed desk arm bracket. Now measure and mark the same height measurement taken from the already installed desk arm bracket. Note that at this point, you may place the remaining desk arm bracket anywhere on the face panel, as pointed out in the desk board customization video. Just make sure both brackets are at the same vertical distance from the floor. Place the right side desk arm bracket on the face panel of the Murphy bed, making sure the bracket hinge is slightly inside the edge of the face panel if you have opted for full width desk board as shown here. We have now installed the two desk arm brackets on the face panels of our DIY Murphy bed. We are now ready to attach the desk board to the desk arm brackets, which we will cover in video number 7.